I came up blasting. Now the plant can grow.
It's dead now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's glass out of it.
Is there?
It's dripping on me.
That's all the water you put in there.
Gotta pat its baby's bottom.
Here, come on. Tilt it again. Yeah. It smells like 50 years of shit. Yeah. The stick over there. The stick over there. What?
On this tag it says helmet.
Uh-huh.
Royal helmet.
Ooh, what is that?
That's a dead. It's a dead. I don't know what it is, but it's gonna die. Die. He's so nimble.
That was kind of cool.
Just let it
That's good. That poop.
You split it in half.
Ugh.
Okay, do it again. I need all these boots.
No, I'm not stepping on your shoes.
It's like all rooted in there. It's like its own little ecosystem. Now just rinse it again.
Yeah.
You can spray that stuff off. That way you don't have to.
I will. Oh heck no!
$5.
I need way more than that.
$5. 5 fresh, crisp, $1971 bills.
I need more than that. You hear the noise I made?
I heard it. Oh yeah. Boy, she cleaned up real nice. You're gonna take her out on the weekends.
No, thank you.
Put her in the passenger seat, put the seat belt on her. I'd soap her just a little bit, bud. You're gonna have to use your brush. Your brushy.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Somebody right.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I should have brought my sock.
Gotta use some elbow grease.
I should have brought my
I got
sock.
some spare socks in the back that are soaking wet.
I need some. What?
I got something on my bicycle. Yeah. Why are you standing like a fire hose? Are you afraid it's got too much pressure?
No, I just did that so I didn't get it on me.
Here's my sock. Mine sock.
Put
It's only on my nasty
Put on
foot.
the ground.
I didn't do that. Yeah, scrub a dub dub.
I got it, gang.
That's where the brill. It's on the outside.
Yeah.
Use this.
I don't want to
eraser.
because I was. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, get it wet in the good water.
You're right, gang.
Them things is magic. That's what I call them, magic erasers. Put some soap on your arm. You good? Look at that. You're good. You're good. You can just sit there and no. Use the magic eraser with your hand.
I can't. I won't be able to get it out.
Yeah, drop the magic eraser in there. Then put your arm in there. Now, boom.
Oh.
Oh, hecky, yeah.
This is cheating.
That's not cheating. All you gotta do is just tilt it
Oh,
down.
my hand's different.
Imagine like your hand just swells up immediately and you can't get it out and we have to break it. You know how pissed that would upset you. Yep, that all those
You
things.
mean how mad it would be?
Yeah, that. That's nasty. Well, a little bit of
Not
the
done yet, though.
pre-clean. You know, we're not done yet, obviously. This is the Kerr self-sealing. That's right, it seals itself. It'll do whatever it wants. Mason jar. We have another one of these already somewhere.
I don't.
Oh, wait, no, I lied. We do not have one of these. We have the balls, but we didn't bring the balls home because we got too many balls. Yeah. Want some soap in her?
Yeah.
Goodness gracious. What is
I was going to put it on here. Because all I need to do is the outside now. Pretty sure. You don't talk about it. We don't talk about it.
You saw nothing.
What are you doing?
I guess we need to do that Pepsi at some point, too.
I can go grab it.
We'll do it in a couple minutes.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It poopied.
You're scrubbing away the life out of the Kerr. This one is actually a really good shard piece. So you can put your shards in it.
Oh yeah, you're right. Excuse
No,
me.
just soak it in your water. That's what you got. What else you got the bucket for?
I don't wanna.
I don't want to do.
Yeah.
I mean, for a hand clean job, like that's pretty good. Especially with the 10 extra pounds of crap that came out of it. There's literally an entire bucket full. Oh, that's on the sock. Now your socks are wet. It's amazing that we walked in the water the entire time. Socks didn't get wet at all. And now it's like, hi, I'm home. Socks are drenched.
Oh, perfect cleaner. My shirt.
Wow.
Wow. It's scratched?
No.
I'm actually genuinely shocked that it's not, especially with as much metal as surrounding that one.
Yeah.
That went a lot. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, heck, it's like brand new. It's like brand spanking new, bruh. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, would you just look at it? Just look at it. Just look at it. All right. We got the finished product. The Kerr self-sealing mason jar. As you guys can see. Pretty good. Not much damage. Actually, I don't really... There's a couple little spots. We got one right there. Kind of hard to see. And, not... It's just a small little circle on the bottom. Looks like 506. I have no idea who's made this one. I also...
Look that one up.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. You guys can see the 6 at the bottom, which I'm sure is probably a mold number maybe. And then this looks like an XHD maybe? I'll try and get the light to hit it just right. Don't know if you guys have seen it. If you can't see it, it's okay. Definitely, it's tough. And then we got 506 at the bottom. At the bottom. Also maybe kind of tough to see. But overall, really good shape. Nice find. Perfect to add to the collection. And she can use this to hold her other little glass shards that we continue to find. Because that seems to be what we find all of. Especially when they're the goody glass shards. Like those nice pretty blues and thick greens. Thick greens, man. Those are the ones. But I want to find one of those
I'm gonna find one full.
I want to find the full, well I want to find a complete Dr. Pepper. And that'll finish out pretty much our knee-high stuff. And then, well, we got some Pepsis now. We got that old, super old Coca-Cola, sadly.
Almost.
But still way too nice to pass up on that one. Should go back and find that really thick green Pontieled one that had that.
Yeah, the one that was like 1800s.
The one that was, that one was definitely just maybe on the cusp of like late 18s, early 1900s. I think that one was the JM Portella. Yeah, that was the Portella.
Yeah, could you look that one up in it?
And I know where it is, whereabouts.
Probably not
Now,
there
if it's
anymore.
still there, I mean, that water doesn't flow too heavy. So, I mean, it's a good possibility that it could be there. If not, it'd be awesome to stumble upon another one. But that's a really good find. And then we got some of those clay pieces today. Which I'd love to find an actual clay,
Full one?
a full piece, yeah. Because the clay is really cool. Especially with because I mean, that stuff's pretty durable. What you need? Perfect wrist. You can't get any older. Your wrist and hand has to stay the same from here on out. Because if not, I mean, how else are we going to get hands on us? On the inside.
Oh, man.
It's going to take us forever to sit there and brush that shit. Now you can hit every crease. Now this is the one I'm most interested in because I've never seen one. I've never, in all of the times that we've been digging, which isn't really very long, but I mean, especially on the digging side.
Yeah.
But as long as we've been out walking and then kind of looking, I have never seen
One like this?
a crown mason jar.
I haven't even...
I've seen the atlases, I've seen the Kerrs.
I want to find a full atlas.
And I've seen the balls. Hey, you ever heard of crown mason jars?
Yeah.
Have you?
Crown.
Crown.
Yeah.
Not
we
brown.
have one.
Yeah. We found one. We found one. Yeah. The most labor-intensive part of the entire process is the cleaning, which Avery does. As you can see, she has smaller hands. Mine are like meat palms. They don't fit. I really want to get the tumbler though.
Yeah.
It's like 3 days.
Pretty sure it's a little bit.
That, or if anybody has any kind of insight into a potentially easier and more efficient way of cleaning these, that would be superb. I mean, this one
Isn't bad.
This one's not bad. You just got to put some elbow grease in it, and you know, I mean, it does it kind of, huh?
It does a good job.
No, I mean, it does a great job for like what we need, because we're not trying to have it.
We want some.
Yeah, it's got to have some of the varnish, like some of the, not the varnish, but it's got to have like some of the age. Granted, you know, we have some that turn out better than others, some that have blemishes in them still, and then we have some that are just, I mean, we've got some broken ones, so we definitely will keep those, especially if they're unique pieces. But I would say the cleanest piece we have is probably this one now. To be honest, this Kerr.
Probably.
These two will probably be the cleanest. They turned out, even this one, the crown is looking really nice so far, which is a big plus, because these were two rare finds for us. Maybe not in the long run of it, you know, maybe not necessarily as rare, probably considered common, especially for the era. I'm going to assume, given both of these, probably mid 60s, maybe early 70s, and this is without looking anything up. But if you guys have ever used a crown or even heard of them, I had to ask my mom, and I'd never heard of them. So if you guys have heard of them, or if you guys have one in your collection, let us know.
Stop it.
Don't fight me. Gonna have Tegan in the background doing some sweet wheelies.
There's some spots in there I can't get, but
That's okay.
take this one.
This one, if we were to, maybe it's older. I mean, it's got a 48 and a 10, and it's got that study bottom to it. So I am not sure. I'm gonna have to look this one up. But this is the Crown Mason jar. Actually turned out really, really nice, especially given, I mean, granted, it wasn't super beat up, but it was extremely filthy, dirt-wise.
Yeah.
And then on the bottom, we have a, so on my right, be your guys' left, there's a 4-8 and then a 10. Trying to see if I can get this angle just right so you guys can see it, but it's extremely difficult. But yeah, so we got 48 and we got 10. That should be good right there. You guys can make that out. So again, this is between the two. We've got the Kerr and the Crown Mason jar. Both mason jars, which seem to be really common for us, mason jars, mostly ball. We have found just an absolute plethora of ball mason jars, from big to small to you name it. We've probably got it. So these are the two that we found today that are really kind of cool, that add to our collection that we don't have. So we hope you guys like them. If you guys do, drop a comment down below. Let us know if you guys have them, if you stumbled upon them. Do you know, if you have similar ones, just let us know. Like, share your story with us. We love finding this kind of stuff, and we're new to it as well. So we're also learning the process of how to identify bottles and whatnot.